afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
I'm Sanjay from VC Media. VC Media is into conferences, taking interviews and covering exhibitions and conferences across national territory of Delhi. And we have covered about 600 interviews so far in the last few months that we are into. And our subscription list is a very niche set of clientele. And on behalf of VC Media, I would like to welcome Mr. Akshay Kashyap, who is the Deputy Manager Sales and Services from TechFab Systems on this show. At FCIE exhibition, I would like to ask him for his small introduction.
Hello everyone, my name is Akshay Kashyap and I'm holding a Deputy Manager in Sales and Service position in TechFab Systems. If I talk about TechFab System, we are basically a 30 years old company. More or less 3 centuries are there that we have spent time and provide a very good support in terms of fire, safety, security in the power plant or infrastructure areas, right? So we have been catering this industry with our product range. We are basically representing 2-3 Germans and UK based companies, and with their very cream and niche products, we are actually providing our real-time solutions to the real-time problems of the industry. So like if I talk about we are providing a solution to the metros, rail, roadways, especially the tunnel areas. Then we are providing a solution to the power plants areas. When we talk about a power plant, so like turbine areas where the temperature is quite high, so normal type of cable cannot survive over there, obviously because of the polymeric issues. Being polymer, it's a good, it's a carbon chain, right? So it's a good source of heat and electricity. It's a good conductor of heat and electricity both. So after some time, what happens? The cable melts down. The phase and neutral both get shorted and play a main role in sparking the fire. And maybe whenever we talk about a power plant, even a small issue can become a national news, right? So they take a very good care so that all these incidents cannot be happened in the power plant. So for that purpose, our first product is this MICC cable that's behind us, right? It's a mineral insulated copper cable. Okay. That these infrastructures like hospitals, airports, railway, roadways, your power plants where either the concerns are very high, the capital investment is quite high, or the footsteps are quite good in the number that you cannot आप उसको accept नहीं कर सकते हैं किसी भी छोटे
zero downtime.
Right. So over there, this type of situations, for that purpose, this MICC cable plays. Even in this area where we are standing, this whole area has been installed by the MICC cable.
Okay.
Right. So it's a very good opportunity for India, for us, that we have been catering. Now, what is MICC cable? It's actually a true fire survival cable as per BS standard codes 687 CWZ, which said that for 950 degree 3 hours, cable has to respond back. Cable has to pass the current whatsoever the situation, like it's a fire situation, including the water sprinkling system, including the the physical damages has been started, and maybe the building or something started to fallen down. Even in all these conditions, it has to pass the current, and this cable actually survives because it is using 99.97% pure copper, right? The melting point of copper is 1078 degrees Celsius, so it can bear a huge long range of temperature.
Correct.
Then it comes the insulation, which is going through with the magnesium oxide. The breaking point of magnesium oxide is 2700 degrees Celsius. So if we are talking about like fire situations or something like the fire scenarios that happen due to the electrical cables, for that we need to reach 2700 degrees Celsius, because only then after it will get sorted out and all this mishappening can be take place. So this is one product. Then we are representing AP Sensing. It's having a history of Hewlett and Packard. The one started the HP. Now they are a big market player in providing the solutions in the computers and communication area.
True.
Right? So AP Sensing, it's a German-based company which is providing the real-time temperature solutions, real-time temperature devices. We call it linear heat detection system, which the good thing with this product is it is not using any power. It is not using voltage or current or any such thing to detect the temperature. It is using a light. So basically, in a very simple way, we are using the light to detect the temperature on the real-time basis, using the great Indian scientist Dr. C.V. Raman, the C.V. Raman effect, right?
Light effect.
Yeah, light effect.
We all have studied that in our school.
Actually, we Indians always do the wonders whenever we do. So it's a technology name called OTDR, Optical Time Domain Reflectometry,
Right.
which was introduced by Dr. C.V. Raman effect, the great Indian scientist. And using that phenomena, what we are doing, we are providing the real-time temperature that is going through the, either we talk about, say like in power plant, it's like conveyor belts, right? Because it's a most, ridiculous point where the fire can hit without any concern, right? Then your cable monitoring, where the cables are going on, cable galleries are going, right? Then we have tunnels, we have infrastructure areas, we have power cables, huge power cables like 220 kV lines are going on. So for that transmission purpose, this type of system are basically used.
So it's basically the photovoltaic installations, battery
Yes.
storage, cable trays, and
Right,
it carries
right. Tunnel,
at the airport extension.
Airport
Where you are
infrastructure.
using
Right.
the OLHD
system.
application.
Right. And
Fine.
even a very new thing, that is the data centers, right? Because when we talk about data center,
24/7.
and the thing that is storing in itself is a priceless thing. The data is priceless nowadays, right? So we need a solution which can not just give the alarm but a pre-alarm, because it's always heat, then spark, and then fire. So we are working on a heat, so that your precious data can always be in a safer hands.
So you have an alarm system as well, which is integrated to this system.
Yes, sir. The system that we are offering, this LSD system, is basically you can communicate it with your SCADA or your main SAS system,
Okay.
and it can then obviously it's just like a small role. Whatsoever you want to do, you can do it afterwards. Like if I talk about metros or railways, so they basically can integrate this system with their SCADA, and using the data of this system, they are taking care of the different area, and accordingly they are taking care from which train, which section we have to open the air section and air plug-in. So accordingly they are taking care of that.
So with that knowledge, where I would like to thank you for your time
Thank you.
and wish you many more laurels in the coming time. And any message that you would like to pass on to the users?
India is very growing industry. India is we are emerging out from nowhere to just going to make a history, and we want that every infrastructure, whatsoever building we are making, it has to be a world-class level. It has to give an example to the upcoming generations. So yes, we are doing wonders, and we have to move with the same thinking.
So with that, I would like to conclude my interview, and I would like to thank you for your precious time. We would also like to apprise the viewers that VC Media, under the leadership of Shri Tarun Tyagiji, is coming up with Rally for Jobs and Rally for Startups, and it is an all India program which is going to commence soon. So stay tuned with us, and it is basically a small effort whereby we are trying to bring the factory owners or the organizations together to get the right product and right students at the right time from the universities directly.
That's really nice thing, and I think this is something which is actually needed by the India right now. The students and the end clients, they all are requiring all of this type of things, and I really appreciate and really very all the best for this type of things.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Mr. Akshay Kashyap from FSIC Exhibition from Tech Fab Systems.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.